What's going on, fam? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all been well. Thank you for joining us for another episode. We're going to be doing an install. It's not actually going to be on my truck, but we're going to be doing it on Cody Boy's 4Runner that he just got. So our friends over at LED Mart or LED Factory Mart, they hooked us up with some fang lights. We're going to throw them on Cody's truck, and I'm going to show you guys the install process, as well as do a little bit of a review and some final thoughts after everything's installed. Right now, we're going to be moving into the unboxing. I'll show you guys what we have in the box. It comes with pretty much all the wires, the lights itself, as well as the fuse taps that you need to tap to your truck. Okay, so I'm going to be opening the box, show you guys what we got. Comes with some pretty good colored instructions, kind of gives you a breakdown of what needs to be done. Shows you everything that's included with the package, has the 2 lights as well as the wiring harness. You have a little brochure, and this is a decal straight from them. Moving on, we have some of your T-taps as well as the fuse tap. It's going to go to your fuse box. And then from there, we have the lights that are already connected to the wiring harness. So you can see this is lights. It's a nice matte black finish. Everything looks pretty high quality. Fit and finish should be nice. And then it has all the wires already connected. See the wiring harness. And then we'll get these installed, and you guys can see the outcome and how it looks and how it performs. Stay tuned. All right, so for the first step for this install, we're gonna be cracking open the hood. So we're just gonna prop open the hood, and then we're gonna start working on getting the bumper. First thing I want to do once I get the hood open, take this cover off. So it has a bunch of these little plastic tabs. You're just going to be pushing them all in, pulling them out, and then we'll move this on the side till later. Next thing we're going to do is there's a 10mm bolt right here that's in the center of the grill. We're going to be taking that off. And then there's 2 clips on the outside. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips here. We're going to be taking those off in preparation to get the bumper removed. So next step, we're going to be moving some bumper bolts. So we have 3 here. And then along the bottom, there's a few that we need to take out. We're going to be loosening up this inner fender liner. And then on the driver's side, we're gonna disconnect the stock fog lights. So if you have stock fog lights, then they're both gonna be connected back here on the driver's side. We're gonna disconnect those, and then that way the wires aren't getting pulled once we pull the bumper off. For the next step, we're going to be removing the stock fangs, as well as on the passenger side, we're going to be removing this plastic piece right here. So once we get these taken off, we'll get the stock fangs out, and then we'll be able to drop our new ones in. So these are going to be going in place of the stock ones. All right, just to show you kind of the difference, this is the stock fang that we took out, and this is the new one that's going to be going in. It just pretty much goes in place of the stock one, and it goes right around the existing fog light. So right now I'm just putting on some of the connectors for the yellow wire that we're going to be connecting to the turn signal on the truck. So I was just going to use one of these connectors. This is going to clip around one of the wires for the turn signal, and then that's going to push in like that. So I'm just kind of prepping everything so it's a little bit easier instead of kind of holding onto the bumper and trying to do this all at the same time. For this next step, I got the wiring harness that comes with the lights. I cut off the connector on the positive side. What we're gonna be doing is connecting a fuse tap. So that's gonna crimp on like that, and then we're gonna run it to the fuse box, and then it's gonna go to one of the fuses that's connected or that's on only when the ignition is on. So if the truck is running, then it'll have power, but if the truck is off, it's not gonna be drawing power. Can't. All right, so for the fuse that we're looking for is you can use anything that has or that's on when the truck is on. For this one, I'm gonna be using INJ. So that's gonna be a 10 amp fuse, and then you'll see it on the diagram. So it's right above a 7.5. Pull that fuse out, and then we're gonna be putting the fuse tap in that spot. All right, so now that we got the wiring harness secured with some zip ties, everything's connected, what we're gonna do is throw the bumper back on, connect the yellow wires to the turn signals, plug this in to the wiring harness we just ran, and then button everything back up, and then it'll be good to go. For this last step, all we're going to be doing is putting the bumper back together, putting all the screws back in, and then double checking to make sure everything works. So there is a startup sequence for these fang lights. So as soon as they turn on, you'll see a little bit of a sequence. And once you turn your signals on, that's when they'll switch to an amber and match the signal. And then when the signal's off, it'll turn back to that white DRL again. All right, so that's pretty much it for this install. Pretty simple, straightforward. It's not a lot of thinking. They take a lot of the guesswork out with this wiring harness. It's a plug and play. Super minor tools. I use like a 10mm socket and a wrench and some zip ties. So you don't really need a lot to get this done. Just want to give another huge shout out to LED Factory Mart for sending these over for us to test and install and give you kind of like our feedback on it. So it's super bright and everything looks pretty crisp, switching back and forth between signals and the running light. And check out their Instagram. They have a bunch of other accessories you can also check out. We'll leave that on the screen. You can check them out. And don't forget to check out their website, and where you can see like their full inventory and catalog for all their parts and lighting accessories. So other than that, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the things. Shoots.